everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to this piano lesson for kids. This is the second video in this series. Today we are going to be practicing finding more letters on the piano, and we are also going to learn a song that I made up called Gummy Worms. So in our first video we learned about how to find letters on the keys, and the most important thing was finding that middle C is right here in the middle of the piano. If you haven't watched the first video in this series, I'll post a link for that in the description below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my highlighter here and write in all the notes that we learned last time, starting from middle C, D, E, F, and G. And to find middle C, if you've forgotten, it's right to the left of these two black keys. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to put our right hand in C position. C position is when our thumb is on C, and each of our fingers are assigned to these keys, C, D, E, F, and G, with our pinky on G, okay, like that. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. That was the exercise from last video called Seesaw. Today I wore my Back to the Future 3 t-shirt. I love the Back to the Future movies. I also have my son's Back to the Future Playmobil, Marty, here. So the song we're going to learn today is Gummy Worms. It's in a book that I wrote called Kasey's Piano Method for Kids. Here's what it sounds like. C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, G, E, C. To play Gummy Worms, what you're going to do is you're going to play C, E, and then G. We'll play that 2 times like this. C, E, G, C, E, G, and then G, E, C, G, E, C, C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, G, E, C. Do you like gummy worms? What's your favorite candy? If you can't use these specific fingers for the song, you can just use one finger for now, like this. C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, G, E, C. Sometimes when we play songs, we skip notes. Like in this song, we play C, and then we skip the D, and we go to an E, and then we skip the F, and we go to G. That's called playing with skips. Also, another thing that's really important is that each of our fingers on our hand is assigned a number, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is our thumb, 2 is our pointer finger, 3 is our middle, 4 is our ring finger, and 5 is our pinky. So you could also think of this song like this. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. So if you've watched these 2 lessons, now you can practice 2 things. You can practice Seesaw, and you can play Gummy Worms. Thanks for following along today, everyone. I hope that this lesson was helpful for you. Please check out the next lesson in this series. I'll put a link in the description so that you can find it. Have a good day!